What if you never had to work again? Not because you gave up, but because something else was doing it for you. Right now, at 3 a.m., while most people are asleep, some people have AI agents running their emails, generating leads, posting content, and closing deals. And the craziest part? It costs nothing to set up. No coding, no tech skills, no team. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build one yourself. Before I show you how, let me tell you what an AI agent actually is. Because most people get this completely wrong. An AI agent is not ChatGPT. It's not a chatbot. It's not some basic automation. An AI agent is a system that thinks, decides, and acts on its own. You give it a goal. It figures out how to reach it. No hand-holding, no supervision. Think of it like hiring an employee. Except this one never sleeps, never complains, and never asks for a raise. Now here's where it gets interesting. AI agent use case 1, email management. What if you never had to reply to a single email again? Tools like Zapier and Make can connect to your Gmail, read incoming emails, categorize them, draft replies, and send them automatically. Business owners are saving 3 to 4 hours every single day using this alone. But that's just the beginning. AI agent use case 2, lead generation. What if an AI could find your next customer while you sleep? Tools like Clay and Fantabuster scan LinkedIn, websites, and directories, find potential clients, and send personalized outreach messages on your behalf. All automated, all running 24/7. Some people are booking 10 to 15 sales calls per week without lifting a finger. Now here's the one that surprised me the most. AI agent use case 3, content creation. What if your entire social media ran itself? Using N8N, a free tool, you can build a workflow that automatically researches trending topics, writes captions, generates images, and posts to Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn every single day. No human involvement after setup. Stay with me, because use case 4 is where the real money is. AI agent. Use case 4, customer support. What if every customer question was answered instantly, day or night? Tools like Chatbase let you build an AI agent trained on your business information. It answers questions, handles complaints, and processes requests. Better than most human support teams. Small businesses are paying $200 to $500 per month for this service. You could be the one building and selling it. AI agent use case. 5. E-commerce automation. What if your online store managed itself? AI agents can track inventory, process orders, send follow-up emails, adjust pricing based on demand, and handle refunds completely automatically. Store owners are running 6-figure businesses with 0 daily involvement. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds complicated. It sounds expensive. It sounds like something only developers can do. Wrong. Wrong and wrong. Here's the truth. Every single tool I just mentioned has a free plan. Every single one was designed for non-technical people. And every single one can be set up in an afternoon. The only real question is, what do you want your AI agent to do first? Pick one use case from this video. Go to N8N, Zapier, or Chatbase. Sign up free. Follow their setup guide. And have your first AI agent running before you go to sleep tonight. Because here's the reality nobody talks about. Time is the only thing you can never get back. And right now, AI is offering you the ability to multiply yours for free. The people who set this up today will be miles ahead of everyone who waits until tomorrow. If you want me to do a full step-by-step tutorial on any of these tools, drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And if this opened your eyes, subscribe, because this is just the beginning of what AI can do for you.